Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Live Alaska. Hope you have an awesome day. We sure have a beautiful day today. A little bit chilly, but we're going to take advantage of every single day that we have before it gets too cold. And that's going to happen really soon. The great thing about living in Alaska is that you're just a couple minutes away from wilderness, pretty much. Our house is located outside of the city limits of Fairbanks. And I think we picked it for a purpose because we love to be outside, we love to be outdoors, we love to take the family out in nature, and that is just the perfect location to do this. So we're going to drive about maybe 30-40 minutes and we will be out in the wilderness. And that is the great thing about family time. I love to have family time and we love to stay at home too, but you can still get interrupted by text messages, people who just stop by. But once when you're out in Alaska wilderness, there is no reception, there is nothing. It's just you, the kids, four-wheelers, dogs, and the camera and you guys. So it's just so beautiful out here. I'm so glad the sun is shining. We're gearing up, we're dressing up really warm, and we're gonna start a new Alaskan adventure, and you guys are coming along. Okay, got everything together, everything packed. John is just closing everything up, and new adventure starts in 3, 2, 1. Chilly, but hopefully in the sun it won't be that bad. So I'm trying to make some coffee just because nothing goes without coffee, and John is already unloading the four-wheelers. I think he's ready to go.
So we're going to finish our coffee and we get the four-wheelers loaded up, get Maya's little basket fixed, and then we're going to hit the trails and go see what we can find.
Maya, are you ready to go? She's not too happy. She has 3 sweaters on. Everybody else is getting situated. Devin is ready to go. Emily's ready to go. Let's do this. I think Maya has the best spot. I think she's the captain. What do you think, Maya?
Taking a quick stop. Drove 7 miles in. Now we're just going to hang out here and relax. Maybe start a fire to stay warm and enjoy the view.
whatever we're gonna do now falls under the category, don't do this at home.
It's preparation. So here's what you always hear about: bear spray. Except we bought this when we first got up here.
Which was 7 years ago.
I don't know if you can see that, but it expired in 2017. It's almost 2019.
Yeah.
So we're going to give it a try, and also let the kids try it just so they can know what it's like to use the bear spray. Maybe we'll even make them smell it.
Well, because we've never used it.
Nope.
That's still the first can we ever bought when we moved up here. But it has traveled with us a lot. It went on a lot of walks, a lot of four-wheeler rides,
A lot of hunting trips.
a lot of hunting trips. So the purpose of this is not to mess around. It's just to show the kids how to properly use it. Because there's a lot of features on there.
This little safety mechanism, and know where to point it and how it works.
Do I have to be scared?
Yes.
Step number 1 is what?
Let's figure out where the wind is blowing so it doesn't blow back on us.
Yeah.
Spray this way.
Spray that way.
Watch out, Devin.
All right, so let's go off into the woods right here. Come here.
Come on, Let's go,
All
buddy.
right, so
Let's go, buddy.
aim at that tree. You're gonna take the safety clip off. Hold it with one hand. Okay.
I never
Now-
used
now.
this.
Look where it sprays out. So you're gonna probably hold it with your finger like this and spray like this. You can hold it like this if you want.
Go a little bit more in the woods.
Okay.
I'm scared.
No, don't be.
And go.
Go.
It didn't. It was stuck.
That's a lot of spray. Is this normal?
Yeah. All right, Devin.
I am so glad I'm not a bear.
Wow.
Okay.
Look what it did to the tree.
Yeah.
Emily wanna
Oh, yeah. Look, that poor tree.
Hi.
Okay, here goes Devin.
do I just let it go?
You want to try, Kirsten, or no?
No.
Okay, yeah, Devin, you can finish it off.
Go, bear.
You want one?
And go.
That was it?
Yep.
So if a bear comes, how much are you supposed to spray?
So if he's charging, you're supposed to spray it all.
The whole thing?
Yep.
So which was not a lot, actually.
It's about 7, maybe 5 to about 7 seconds worth of spray. So you got to make it count.
So you can only use it one time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you smell anything? I can't really smell anything.
I smelled it when you first sprayed it.
That's not bad.
Well,
Woo! Bear just got scared.
yep.
Come thou fount of every blessing, tune my heart to sing thy praise. Streams of mercy never ceasing, call for songs of the loudest praise. Teach me some melodious sonnet sung by flaming tongues above. Praise the mountain fixed upon it, mount of thy redeeming love. Here I raise my
guess who's leading the way?
Growth power.
We are?
Yeah. Oh. So girls power? Can I get a
Let's go.
Heck yeah!
good? That's
Prone to leave the God I love. Here's my heart, Lord. Take it, seal it for thy courts above. Here's my heart, Lord. Take it, seal it for thy courts above.
So we made it back to the RV, and this one has to do donuts in the parking lot. What can I say? Boys will be boys. Maya! Well, now the girl is joining in too. So 15 miles later, we did it. Now it's time to turn the heater on and just to warm up. But it was really beautiful up there. Bear was a champ. He ran the whole time. We took a lot of breaks. Sometimes we took it really easy, but he kept on going. That's the beauty of having an Alaskan Husky, I have to say. If you love the outdoors, this is the dog for you. So as you can see, even after 15 miles, he's still running around with the kid. So he's not even completely worn out. Look at him going.
With 14 distinct mountain ranges, more than 3 million lakes, and nearly 22 million acres of national forests, Alaska is easily known as one of the world's most wildest places. It is also home to 20 national parks, preserves, and monuments, and has a longer coastline than all of the other U.S. states combined. And we got to travel 7 miles of this wonderful land that God has created. So it was a great day. It got cold really quickly since the sun set, and that's why we're all sitting by the fire. We had a great dinner and had a fun family day, and I'm glad you guys came with us. Counting it all joy. Bye.